If you're looking for a way to make extra income online and you have a passion for creating and you also love stickers, then actually creating and selling your own stickers can be a great way to start an online business and also incorporate your creativity into that. I personally have made over 13,000 sales in my online Etsy shop that sells stickers with my sister since 2020. So I can tell you personally, this is a fun and profitable online business. You also want to spend some time researching, once you've decided on the type, what stickers sell within your particular niche, what's very popular. So some examples of this are going to be vinyl waterproof stickers and decals for things like water bottles and cars. You can also make, stickers of a particular style. So funny, sarcastic stickers for guys, for example, or maybe vintage and floral botanical designs for scrapbookers and mixed media journalists. There's a lot of different popular types out there, so you want to take some time to research what is going to be the best niche for you and your particular style. Now, to start selling stickers, the first step is going to be to actually design them, of course. Some of the free ones that I personally like are Canva or PicMonkey. And if you're going to use a paid platform, most sticker designers use Procreate. This is one of the ways that we create stickers for my Etsy shop. Ultimately, you should just use the platform that you feel most confident on, that you enjoy working with, and don't force yourself into something just because other people are doing it that way. Find the way that works best for you. Now, if you're going to use Canva, Canva actually has sticker size templates, which can help you get the correct size and potentially give you some ideas to go with your designs. But no, you cannot sell the sticker templates that Canva provides. Just use them for practice and then create your own from scratch. If you're using Procreate like we do, you can also use an Apple Pen and hand draw or edit the designs with the pen, and this kind of adds a cool handmade touch. Now, if you're selling digital stickers, then you simply need to put your designs into a transparent PNG sheet of multiple stickers, or you can include individual PNG files for each sticker. Your customers can then print them at home or upload them into their digital planners or digital journals or things like that. So if you're planning to do physical products, the next couple of minutes are going to be for you in this video where I talk about what you actually need to print and physically cut your stickers yourself. If you're going to print at home, you need to decide what type of stickers you're going to use and what type of paper you're going to use, whether you're going to do paper stickers or vinyl stickers. Paper is not waterproof, and this is going to be used primarily for more like labeling products or labeling stickers, or I will also add to that planner, scrapbook stickers. Those would be paper because they intend to go into a paper journal or planner. They're not intended to be waterproof. Vinyl stickers, on the other hand, are going to be slightly thicker, shinier, and much more durable. And as a top sticker seller on Etsy, I actually recommend that unless you are specifically going into the planner or scrapbook sticker niche, I would produce vinyl stickers. People are generally used to these type of stickers being waterproof vinyl. So this is what they are going to expect, and it's going to help you sell your stickers at a much higher price point. So what we do with our stickers is we print on printable vinyl sticker paper and then overlay a clear waterproof vinyl laminate over the top of that. So we get the high quality designs printing on vinyl, but then they're also protected and waterproof. And you can research different types of printable vinyl and clear laminate overlay to figure out which one works best for your price point and which one you enjoy working with. The clear vinyl overlay is just an extra layer of protection and allows our stickers to go into the dishwasher, to get wet, and our customers won't have to worry about it. When it comes to printing, inkjet printers are going to be the cheaper option. They're more accessible, but they're actually not as cost effective if you're doing a lot of heavy color or saturated images. Laser printers are pricier, but the quality of the print is going to be higher. This is what I recommend. There's not going to be any smearing or rubbing off of ink. The hardware and the ink are more expensive though, so you're going to pay more upfront for the quality, but it's going to last a very long time. You also have the option to outsource to a printing service for printing your stickers. Sticker Mule is a great option to use if you want to outsource the actual printing and cutting. This is a way to take printing off your hands, but it's definitely a bigger expense that you need to factor into your sticker price. And I have done this. I will say there are some benefits because you don't have to do the physical work yourself, but they are going to eat into your profits quite a bit. They are quite expensive. You can also have possible headaches with your stickers being shipped to you. Maybe you experience shipping shipping delays waiting for the product to arrive from your third-party supplier, or being overstocked or understocked with the actual sticker inventory yourself. And because you don't cut your stickers yourself, you don't have a lot of control over that. These are some things that you could run into. So you really want to weigh the pros and cons on whether or not you want to use a third-party printing service for your stickers. The other option is to cut your own stickers. And this is what we do in our business. We fulfill all of our stickers in-house. There are a lot of different cutting tools and machines out there. The two most common ones are Cricut and Silhouette, and we use Silhouette, but I think they're both equally just as good. There are other options as well that can work just as well too. These die cutting machines are pricey. They are a bit of an investment. If you already have one, that's great. But if you are looking at it up front, it is going to cost you a few $100s to get this business running. You could attempt to cut your stickers by hand. Unfortunately, this is probably going to affect your quality. I would not recommend it because you are not likely to be able to cut uniform cuts by hand for a bunch of different stickers, and it's just going to take you a lot more time. It doesn't sound a lot of fun. If you have orders with dozens of stickers at a time, it's not very practical. After designing, printing, and cutting your stickers, you are now ready to start selling. There's a lot of different ways you can sell your stickers, including Etsy, on your own website, using Shopify, on Facebook or Instagram, or other types of social media selling. In this video, though, I'm going to focus on Etsy because I think it's the most popular, and I can also say I have found a lot of success on this platform, so it's very easy to get started and make money doing it. Opening an Etsy shop is completely free, and you only pay when you actually list a product. There are no monthly subscription fees. It is just 20 cents per product listing, and that lists your product for 4 months, just 20 cents. And then you don't pay anything else unless you actually make a sale. When you make a sale, you're going to be automatically charged 6.5% as a sales commission of that purchase price. There are a few other small fees associated with Etsy, including a credit card transaction fee and then possible shipping fees that you might pay depending on your country, depending on if you're purchasing your shipping labels through Etsy. But all in all, most people are going to pay around 10 to 12% total for fees on Etsy for each sale. This is relatively low cost compared to some of the other platforms out there. So keep that in mind. Do your research and really understand how advantageous it is to get started using a platform like Etsy. And as you grow your business and you have a larger audience, you can always switch to a website if you prefer to sell on your own store. Now, one of the things you might be wondering is it actually profitable to sell stickers? And the answer is definitely yes. If you have a design that's unique and it's in demand, you can definitely make a profit on your stickers. Now, if you only choose to sell digital files of your stickers, you can reach a very high profit margin because you are not physically buying any actual materials for the stickers and you don't have to produce them yourself. So the price of these is going to be lower overall, a digital sticker compared to a physical one, but it can give you the opportunity to make passive income, and it's a little bit easier to sell digital stickers on your part because there's less work involved. If you are selling physical stickers, you can absolutely make a profit. I own a 6-figure top Etsy shop selling only physical stickers. And as long as you take into account your expenses and your shipping and your cost-effective supplies, it can still be profitable, but it's up to you to set your prices accurately so that you know you're making a profit. Ultimately, I do want to end this on the fact that selling stickers is a very profitable way to make money using your artistic abilities if you're creative and you actually really enjoy doing this. There's a wide range of different types of stickers you can sell, from digital to printable, and every niche that you can possibly think of, people buy stickers for. It really just comes down to you deciding what niche you're going to focus on and researching what types of products are in demand, and then learning how to sell on Etsy as well. And if you do want to learn more about how to be successful on Etsy, we have a lot of other helpful videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure and subscribe to learn more about how to make more passive sales online.